Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to link your bank card into your Alipay account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay app. After you open up your Alipay app, go ahead and click on Account. Go ahead and click on Bank Cards. So from the point right here, go ahead and enter your card. So from the point right here, go ahead and enter your bank card number. And go ahead and enter the expire date and the CVV digit at the back of the card right here. So I'm going to go ahead now and enter the expire date. Go ahead and click on confirm. Then the 3 digits at the back of the card. Then come down below right here. Go ahead and click on agree to terms and add.